Here we're looking at the Ferrari door. You can hear the noise of the motor. The motor has been taken apart and serviced. The cables have fraying and they're kinked when it runs. When it runs, you can see the kinks in the cable, and the motor is quite noisy. It's not something most people would find acceptable. This is the driver's door. The passenger side is worse. Inside here, it looks like decent workmanship. You can see where the door skin is attached to the body. It's not rusted. It's not damaged. You can see all this has been serviced. Here we can see the metal edge of the door, and then we move into this area here that is really very heavily built up with filler, and that is, it's a little troubling, I guess, to us because it's very fragile. The thicker the filler is, the more likely it is to fracture and split the paint if the car is actually used. So the big issue inside this door is making the window move smoothly, move at a reasonable speed up and down, and not be noisy. And I'm glad to report that the inside of the door is in basically good condition, and it's going to give us a good foundation to do that, but what we have right now is far from ready for use.